Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to WooCommerce. First, you'll have to log in into your WordPress account and go to the dashboard. Then once you go to the dashboard, you have to hover over the settings and go to permalinks right here. And after that, you'll have to scroll down till you get to common settings, and you have to change from plain option to day and name, for example. After that, you should scroll down till you find this save button. Click on save changes. Then what you should do is to simply go to Printify, login or sign up. Then you'll have to go to the top left corner right here, click on my new store, then click on manage my stores. And now you have to choose add new store. Then once you click on it, you will now have to search for WooCommerce. So I'm going to click on WooCommerce right here. Then here you should paste a link right here. And to get this link, you should go back to WordPress, then go to the settings, then go to general right here. And you will have to copy this link right here, WordPress address URL, this one right here. After copying it, you have to go back to Printify, then paste it right here, then click on connect. Once you finish, it will show this page. Click on approve, then it will show this message, congrats message. And now we have to go back to WordPress. Then after that, you should go to plugins, click on it. Now we have to search for a specific plugin that is called Printify. Just tap on enter. Then here you have the first option, Printify for WooCommerce. Just click on it. Then you should click on install, then activate this plugin. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.